Assalamu alaikum friends, today we'll discuss how to fix Snapchat not loading Snap problem solve. This problem causes by few reasons. Now we will show you how to solve this problem very easily. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. Click settings. Click apps. Click app management. Find Snapchat. Click Snapchat. Click storage use. Click clear data. Then click OK. Click force stop. If you are a Wi-Fi user, your Wi-Fi problem might be the solution for Wi-Fi users. Click data use. Then turn off both options. Next step. Then turn off your Wi-Fi router once. Wait a minute. Then turn on your Wi-Fi router. Next step. First connect your Wi-Fi. Then open any browser. Then type router IP address. Type your router's admin panel password. Click System Tools. Then click Reboot option. Click Reboot button. Wait until the process complete. Restart your phone. If you like the video, please share with your friends. If you have any problem, please comment. If you are using mobile data, then the solution is for you. Click Settings. Click Mobile Network. Select the SIM card with which you use the internet. Then click Access Point Names. Click plus icon. Type SIM name. Then type APN Internet. Click Save. Then open Google Play Store. Then search Snapchat. Click Snapchat. If you get any update, please update. Then restart your phone. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. If you like the video, please share with your friends. Thanks for watching.